A few days ago, I posted a video of when we picked up the Tomaz Syrix 2. Today, join us as we go through unboxing and initial impressions of Tomaz's premium gaming chair. A good thing of picking up the chair was that they had us check everything in the box prior to leaving the outlet. I initially thought it would be sealed and it would be just a matter of driving in and picking up the order. However, it's impressive that they had us check everything before they sealed the box. I assume it was to make sure that the upholsteries were all in place and no damage. The staffs were helpful enough to even carry the chair into the car. It is quite impressive to see that each of the parts were sealed and taped in place. Tomaz really did well with the packaging, so I guess that is another plus points for them. There were also foam pads in between each parts, and especially those with hard parts like the armrests metal. I initially thought of getting the burgundy color, however in the end I settled with the black, which for me is a more neutral color since I will be using the chair not only for gaming but also for working from home. The materials they used for the head pillow and lumbar support stands out as well because they used a soft cloth cover instead of just cheaping out on it. The armrests can be moved three-dimensionally. The height and angle can be adjusted according to the user's preference. They even included a pair of gloves, which I suppose would help to avoid cuts during assembly. I tried it on, but I ended up removing them as it felt unnatural. Even if the swivel chair installation is straightforward for most people, it is still good that Tomaz included an instruction manual with the chair. The base used by Tomaz, according to their website, is a heavy-duty metal base made from solid iron and smooth rolling casters. For me, I like that the base is blacked out and it does feel heavy-duty. I'm using the chair on tiles and I'm glad to report that the casters are really floor-friendly. I really like the design and color scheme of the Syrix 2. The back cushion's diamond design makes it look premium, With the black color, the only aggressive aesthetics I see on a chair other than the shape itself is the carbon fiber texture on the sides. While the Vex gaming chair is uniquely designed for wide-bodied gamers and the Blaze X Pro has a retractable padded footrest, the Syrix 2 is equipped with a rocking function with the locking system. Syrix 2 is well built and lives up to Tomaz's claim of a premium gaming chair. In my opinion, this chair would be suited to people who are both into gaming but has a taste for minimalistic, classic, and professional aesthetics. In terms of comfort, I have been using the chair for about a month now, every day for at least 8 hours, and I can report that it's very comfortable. The cold cure memory foam does work, and I am also aware that this kind of foam is advertised also by another premium brand. It is good to see that Tomaz has adapted this type of foam on their chairs. Bear in mind though that since the one I got is upholstered in PU and that I use it for long hours, it tends to get hot, so I would recommend investing into a more breathable lumbar support and a mesh padding. Alternatively, the Syrix 2 is also sold in fabric upholstery, which is more breathable than PU. Lastly, I would like to commend Tomaz for their after-sales customer service. The first year I got was a bit wobbly and I found out that it was due to the gas lift, which can be easily replaced. However, Tomaz went to the extra mile by giving a one-to-one replacement. Oh, and did I mention that they have a 49 days return or refund policy too? Apart from the 3 years warranty cover for the handrest, wheels, hydraulic, chair legs, gas lift, adjust, and backset. This for me are the main reasons why I decided to purchase the Syrix 2 premium gaming chair.